Most people believe that simply by having a regular backup is enough to protect them against data loss. However, they do not realize that backup data may get corrupted over time due to hardware failure, storage issues, or even human error. If a disaster were to happen, your data recovery process may fail due to errors caused by corrupted or incomplete backup data. How can this be prevented? Ahsay Restore Drill provides MSPs with an efficient and cost-effective way of ensuring the health of their customers' backup data with regular data validation. It will give customers complete confidence in their backup data integrity and recoverability. It enables customers to conduct regular disaster recovery drills without the need to deploy or purchase additional hardware. All restore drills are done using existing resources. Your customer's backup data is validated either every 6 months, 12 months, or 24 months. The default restore drill interval is 6 months. For data stored directly on the Ahsay CBS backup server, the administrator can start a restore drill job to validate the health of the backup data at any time using the Ahsay Web Management Console. How does the Ahsay Restore Drill validate the health of a customer's backup data? Your customer's backup data is validated using the checksum method. During every restore drill, the backup data is read and the checksum is generated. The checksum is then compared with the original checksum generated when it was backed up. The checksums must match exactly. This will guarantee that any data backed up in the past remains exactly the same at the current time. It is 100% consistent and is fully recoverable. After each restore drill, a report is generated to certify the status of the backup data for compliance purposes. Ahsay Restore Drill works for backup data stored on all cloud and local storage destinations. It works for all backup types. For total peace of mind that all your backup data is validated and is fully recoverable whenever you need it, upgrade to version 9.7 now, before it's too late.